Alright legends, this isn't just any old pancake stack. This is a muscle, joint and bone boosting masterpiece disguised as brunch. We're going to kick things off by whisking together 3 beautiful free-range eggs, bringing complete protein for muscle repair and maintenance, plus vitamin D to help your bones absorb calcium like champs. Next up, peanut butter. It's creamy, delicious and loaded with anti-inflammatory healthy fats, magnesium for bone density and some plant protein to back up the eggs. Maple syrup to keep it tasty, then we add our powerhouse dry mix. Almond flour for magnesium, calcium, vitamin E and fibre to support bone health and metabolism. And here's where it gets serious. We add a scoop of whey protein isolate too. This is a fast digesting complete protein rich in leucine that triggers muscle protein synthesis, perfect for keeping those gains as you age when muscle loss starts creeping in. A little arrowroot flour and gluten-free baking powder, and boom, this batter is thick, golden and ready for action. Into the hot pan it goes with grass-fed butter for a hit of vitamin K2 to direct calcium into your bones. As these hotcakes bubble and go gloriously golden brown, remember this isn't just comfort food. You're eating a nutrient-dense meal that supports muscle repair, joint mobility and strong bones. To finish, we pile them high and top them with thick Greek yogurt, which is more protein, calcium and gut-loving probiotics, then fresh berries for vitamin C and antioxidants. So yeah, this isn't just breakfast. It's fuel for your muscles, joints and bones, keeping you strong, supple and feeling good at any age. Stack them high, eat them warm and your body will love you for it.